Start on the actual API key settings page. This is where users learn the boundary. Keys are personal tokens for REST, MCP, and automation clients, and new values are shown only once. Read the creation boundary before trying to generate anything. Depending on role and tier, the page may show the generate control, an entitlement message, existing keys, or usage panels. The safety rule is the same. Never reveal a real key in a tutorial. The key list and quota cards matter as much as creation. Teach users to monitor usage, rotate before sharing changes, and revoke old or leaked keys immediately. Finish by opening the API documentation. The docs show the accepted headers, API key tier gates, and the shared credential model used by REST, MCP, and ChatGPT-style OpenAPI tools.